Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Exactly 1 year ago we made review of Techless T10. It was flagship tablet at budget price. Some days ago the Chinese manufacturers officially announced the next generation of tablet called Techless T20. Tomorrow it will go on sale on Gearbest online store for the price of $209. So let's make first review and find out, is it good deal? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The design of Techless T20 doesn't differ from the last year's tablet. It has the same metal body with silver back panel and white front. The main features are fingerprint reader on the back and slot for dual SIM card and microSD memory card. Techless T20 tablet is equipped with USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack and even dual speaker on the right and left sides. If we talk about dimensions, then the tablet is quite large because of 10.1-inch display. It has a resolution of 2.5K 2560 by 1600 pixels. By the way, Techless T10 has the same display, so you can watch our review of this tablet. Techless T20 will have the same image quality. In addition, it provides different options such as auto light sensor, eye care mode and reading mode. The main difference between Techless T10 and T20 is hardware. New tablet is powered by Helio X27 chipset with clock speed of 2.6 GHz. Also, it has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. As I already said, you can use microSD memory cards to expand internal memory. One of the main features of this tablet is dual SIM support. Now you don't need to find Wi-Fi networks because 4G LTE provide permanent access to the internet. Techless T20 runs on Android 7.1 Nougat. I would like the latest version of Android, but most likely it will not receive it. I don't know why you need camera on tablet, because it is uncomfortable to use. However, Techless T20 has good sensors. There is 13-megapixel cameras on the front and rear panels. They have f2.0 aperture and wide viewing angles. I'm not sure about the high quality of photos, but you can use them for video communication, for example Skype. The battery capacity also doesn't differ from the last generation. It has the same 8100 mAh battery. From other side, Techless T20 received USB Type-C port, so the tablet should charge faster than previous model. As you can see, the main difference between Techless T20 and T10 is processor. New tablet is more powerful, so you can play the latest games. From other side, design, camera, battery and even software are the same. Right now you can buy Techless T10 for about $195, while Techless T20 costs $210. It is better to pay a little more and get more powerful tablet. But if you already have Techless T10, you don't make sense to buy a new one. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.